once again on the AllSeasons Living Patio. You know that feeling when you're bicycling and you're pumping those legs up a hill and your legs just kind of feel like cement? Well, you don't have to spend thousands on an electric bike to make that cycling easier. Someone invented a cheaper and maintenance-free way. As a matter of fact, it might be the only scientifically proven way to make biking easier. Mark, yes. What an inventor. Mark Groendal's here. He's the guy who invented the AlterCycle. And we've got Nathan down here from Alger Bikes, who is going to be selling these bikes to you, hopefully this weekend or this week. Let's talk a little bit more about this. Welcome, guys.
Thanks for having us.
We'll start by saying hello. Hello. But I'm so excited about this bike. I mean, it truly feels like someone's built a better mousetrap, yes, right? That's for sure. Talk about what Alter Bikes do.
But the top tube and the down tube both flex together, so it gives you a smoother ride. You actually store energy that's in this spring through your power stroke. So at the top of your power stroke, you push down, stretching the spring out a little bit. At the bottom of your power stroke, comes back, releasing energy you stored. So pushes you forward. Okay, so this is the part that people need to understand. This part right here, right? Yep. As a matter of fact, Nathan's kind of got one in his hands over here that you could look at. So this piece right here, you're telling me stores energy and gives it back to you. Right, exactly. Like hitting the sweet spot of a tennis racket every time you pedal. Okay, you know the sweet spot of a tennis racket. People know what that feels like. When you hit it, it feels like you hardly even felt it. So you found that sweet spot, and you found a way to put it into the bike. So is there a spring in here? I mean, this is actual spring. It's a tube, but it's a spring. The tube is the spring. Yep. So it straightens out, and then that top power stroke comes down, it straightens out. Bottom of your power stroke comes back, releasing the energy you stored. So it pulls the bottom bracket back up into your pedal stroke, releasing energy you stored, pushing you forward. Now, you're not just whistling Dixie here. There have been college studies. Talk about those studies. What did they find? Well, Ohio State did a study on it, did a thesis on it. They proved mathematically it was more efficient. And then we did a study at Washington Community College. We had 7 riders do a pedal on a trainer, and they tested how much energy they're putting out and how much oxygen they're taking. Oh yeah, there's oxygen mask on to see how much oxygen it took, and it took less. VO2 max test. So they put out the same energy and used like 4.5% less oxygen. No kidding. All right, so this has definitely been proven to work. Nathan, this is Bike World. I mean, you live in bikes. Have you ridden one of these?
Yes, and we've been selling them for more than a few years. All the feedback we get from customers that buy them is fantastic. Fittingly, the other day, somebody was in, his wife had one for a couple of years. Mark happened to be in the store, and I shamelessly was like, what did she think about it? She said, it's much easier to climb up hills. And that's the real benefit, is not just is it easier to pedal and makes you go faster, it's also more comfortable. And so much of what you have in bikes now is to make a bike more comfortable, you add suspension, which is moving parts, bushing and things that wear out. The maintenance-free side of this is this spring and the frame, keep it clean, ride it, and then just maintain the other bike parts like you would any other bike. So you're saying, that you're right, when you see these pedal assist things, there's a lot of moving parts. There's gears, there's the bushings, there's lots of things that there's none of that in here. Nope. I mean, this truly is maintenance-free. Now, when I say have you ridden the bike yourself? Yeah, absolutely. So, and you ride bikes all the time. What did you think of it? I thought it was great, and the thing that jumped out to me was just how comfortable it was. When you look at so many other bikes that are stiff, that you feel every bump, having something that absorbs, I mean, let's face it, all the places we're riding, they're not getting smoother. You get more potholes, more cracks in the pavement, you ride on gravel. To have something that makes it so that you're more excited to jump on the bike next time, it's never a bad thing. Yeah. Plus, how lucky are we to be able to buy something that's local? Right. And invented locally. Yep. You know? Mark's a bit of a living legend in the area. It's the 3rd frame he's designed. A lot of people might know about the Slingshot. So I'm a sucker for anything that's local. Obviously, we're a local bike shop, so to be able to partner with somebody that's a local business, a local person that I've known for a long time, it's all upside. Excellent. And the price, I think you guys have got quite a discount going on. Talk about that. I mean, how can you complain for a bike like this that's $500? Wow, 500. I mean, those e-bikes are going for $1,200, $1,500, $2,000. I mean, those ones that help you pedal, right? I mean, most e-bikes are going to start at $1,500, $1,600 and go up. These bikes were $900. We've got them on a smoking sale for $500 a piece. You get something that you're getting a bike that's going to take care of you. You're getting it from a bike shop that's going to take care of you. not a lot of downside there.
Sounds like a win-win-win-win.
Win-win, yeah.
Into the headwinds,
Yep.
right? You don't have to pedal that hard into those headwinds anymore, because Mark here has invented the AlterCycle, this amazing spring. It's the third iteration. He's been doing this for decades, and it just keeps getting better and better. And of course, Nathan over at Alger Bikes wants you to come into his store. They'll take care of you. They'll show you the bikes. Maybe you can even take it for a test ride. Thanks so much for being here this time.
Thanks for
so
having
much.
us.
Love this,
This is
right
awesome.
here in West Michigan. Check out AlterCycles and of course the Alter bicycle. We'll be right back.
The Fox 17 patio is sponsored by All Seasons Living.